my name is Amy with craftcuts.com, and today I'm going to show you how to paint wood lettering. Depending on your project needs or your personal preference, you can either paint with a brush or spray paint. I'm going to show you both options. First, let's talk about the materials you're going to need. Spray paint, latex paint, or both, a foam paintbrush, sandpaper, a paper plate or paint tray, and some protective paper. For both techniques, focus on the edges first to ensure great coverage. You'll start by using the foam brush and the latex paint to carefully cover just the edges of the letters. If your letters are 1/8, 1/4, or 3/8 inch thick, you'll notice the edges are darker because they're cut with a laser. A base coat of a slightly lighter color or multiple coats of your darker color choice is needed to get them fully covered. If you would like to spray paint your letters, choose a latex edge color as close to the spray paint color as possible to get full smooth coverage on your edges. Once dry, sand any uneven paint buildup on the front of the letters using a 220 grit sandpaper. This will make the front nice and smooth. Next, paint the face of the letters. Go ahead and coat the letters using a foam brush and latex paint. This usually will take 2 to 3 thin, even coats. Or grab a can of spray paint. Focus on the face of the letter. Hold the can 6 to 8 inches away and use even strokes that start and end beyond the letters to prevent any drips or buildup. Be sure to get those sides too. You'll see, the pre-painting of the sides will help a ton with this step. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial on how to paint wood letters. As always, our customer service team is here to help if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.